And do you know what I love doing the most? Helping my mom with her shoots, learning camera from Pratik Bhaiya, and troubling Naseem Bhai. I have so much fun doing this. So together, we are going to cook some yummy and healthy food for you. So guys, welcome to my show.
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Zora on Zukazo. Mexican food पूरी ये दुनिया में बहुत पॉपुलर है, बहुत टेस्टी भी माना जाता है. So today we are going to cook for you a special Mexican delight. What we are going to cook for you, Zoran is going to let you know. So Zoran, what are we cooking today?
Tacos with a twist.
And what is the twist?
That we're adding some special ingredients.
So what ingredients are we adding, Zoran?
Bell peppers, avocados, basil leaves, mushrooms, onions, lemon juice, tomatoes, garlic, cranberry, olive oil, coriander, salt and pepper, red and white beans, mixed nuts, hung yogurt, and my favorite taco shells. So friends, can you tell me something famous about Mexico? I think it's Mexican food, and that's why we have cooked you tacos. So if you like what we are doing, subscribe to our channel, please like and share our video, and comment down below what should we be cooking next time for you. Goodbye. I have the power of nothing.